Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. I'm going to do a short video here about getting some more dirt in, hilling up these potatoes. They are growing really good and looking really good. And I know it's time to get a little fertilizer on them and get them hilled up some more. There's supposed to be a whole lot of rain tomorrow, some really heavy rain. So I'm going to put a little dry fertilizer down. Normally I'd be doing worm tea, but I'm afraid the rain will just wash it all out. What's amazing is that while I'm trying to show you this video, look at it. Here's a potato growing right there. This is like totally wonderful. There are visible potatoes all through here. So I know I got to get some more dirt on them. Now, I did a rough sift on a whole bunch of compost. I've had videos up on that before. That it's not the real fine stuff, but this will be great for the potatoes. And then I'm going to give them some fertilizer. And I'm just going to use this organic Esposa. I think what we have, I don't know if it's holly tone or tomato tone. They're all pretty close to being the same. I'll buy whichever one's a little less expensive than the rest of them. So let me show you how this happens, and it's incredibly simple. So it won't take but a minute. So I'm going to get this up on the tripod and we'll move on. Okay, as I said, we got supposed to be some really heavy rain tomorrow. So I'm going to put a dry fertilizer. Hopefully it'll hang in there. I'm afraid my liquid fertilizer will just wash out. So I'm just going to sprinkle some fertilizer in here. Go ahead and do several of them. This Esposa stuff is, I don't know, 4, 5, 6, 6, 4, 5, whatever. Don't really care. It works well. And I don't think the plant knows whether it's 3, 4, 5 or 5, 4, 3. So that's got that part of it done. Now we're going to work on making sure these potatoes growing up are covered. If you get sunlight on them, they turn green, they're no good. I don't really know how true it is, but supposedly if you hill them up, you get more potatoes up. They'll make more potatoes up high. I don't know. We don't really get that long a season for these things, so I don't know if temperatures really lets that happen that well. We tend to get really hot, and we got to be happy with whatever we can get quick. I can't believe that potato is showing already. So, you see how it's done. I'm going to go ahead and do the other two. That's what you need to do. Give them a little fertilizer. They're not ready to start setting flowers yet, but we definitely have potatoes. So it's time to make sure we got plenty of soil in here, get them hilled up, get some food on, keep them ready to moving as fast as possible. And of course this is pure compost, so you know this is pure gold. So thank you for watching. David at Grow and Eat This. Please subscribe. It's, oh yeah, and it's Zone 7 northeast of Atlanta.